In this video I'm going to show you how to save a Google Slide to your USB drive. So what we need to do is go to File. Once you have finished the project, then you can click on Download, and now you have to choose a file. As you can see, there is no direct Google Slides file available in this list, but what we can do, we can export it as a PowerPoint. Once you have exported as a PowerPoint, then you can save it to your USB file. So we will download it, and once it is downloaded, we will open a window and go to our C drive. If you have plugged in a USB, you can just go to Downloads and drag it into your USB file. So that is basically how you save a Google Slide to your USB drive. Thank you for watching.